Hello. I'm doing solo battle heroes right now, and basically the most efficient way to do this is to start going like this. Gather all the mobs in this path, like just like this. This is the if you want to get all the experience, you do it this way. Wait for them to get there, and then stay here. Once you've done that, you just hammer away. I'm using Zai and her health thing. And I am level 101 at the moment, and this is pretty easy for me. See, there's a thing right there. Health. And I'm the last boss. And I know it takes a long time, right? But you get all the experience. I don't know if you guys know this, but that's the path that I use. So start from the bottom left, right, up, and then end up in the middle. So like start from here, there. Just get all of them. I don't know if you guys, it's very helpful. So there he is. And then just switch to the single target. And that's it. Yeah, hope this is helpful.